Hi everybody, and welcome to this lesson on the Relational Database Service, or RDS, that is offered by Amazon Web Services. So the RDS makes it really easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. It provides cost-efficient and resizable capacity while automating time-consuming administration tasks such as hardware provisioning, database setup, patching, and even backups. It frees you to focus on your applications so you can give them the fast performance, high availability, security, and compatibility they need in order to provide superior service to either your internal employees or your customers. Now, the RDS is available on several database instance types, either for optimized memory, for performance, or I/O, and provides you with 6 familiar database engines to choose from, such as the Amazon Aurora, the PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle Database, and the Microsoft SQL Server. And Amazon also has a database migration service which allows you to easily migrate or even replicate your existing databases to Amazon RDS. So they've made it very easy for you to start utilizing RDS in a simple and easy fashion. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the advantages and benefits that RDS has. So first and foremost, it is extremely easy to administer. It makes it very easy to go from project conception to deployment. You can use the RDS Management Console, which we will look at when we go through the demonstration, or the command line interface to access capabilities of a production-ready relational database in a matter of mere minutes. So there's no need for infrastructure provisioning and no need for installing and maintaining a complex database software. It's also highly scalable. Like most of the AWS offerings, the RDS is extremely scalable and utilizes the global infrastructure that AWS has. It's also available and durable because it runs on the same infrastructure. It's extremely fast and it supports the most demanding database applications. You can choose between 2 SSD-backed storage options, one optimized for high performance OLTP applications and the other for cost-effective general purpose use. In addition, when we look at the Amazon Aurora a little bit closely, it provides performance on par with commercial databases at 1/10 of the cost. The RDS also makes it easy to control network access to your database. The RDS lets you run your database instances in a virtual private cloud, which enables you to isolate your database instances and to connect to your existing IT infrastructure through an industry standard encrypted IPsec VPN. The engine types offer encryption at rest and encryption in transit. Lastly, it is extremely inexpensive when compared to other options. You pay very low rates and only for the resources you actually consume. In addition, you can benefit from the on-demand pricing that comes with AWS, which allows you no upfront or long-term commitments or even lower hourly rates if you want to use the reserved instance pricing. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the 6 different instances that are offered by Amazon. So the PostgreSQL has literally become the preferred option, the preferred open source relational database for many enterprise developers and startups. Now RDS makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale deployments of PostgreSQL in the cloud. With RDS, you can deploy scalable deployments in minutes with cost-efficient and resizable hardware capacity. It manages the complex and time-consuming admin tasks such as the software installation and upgrades, storage management, replication for high availability and read throughput, and backups for disaster recovery. Now, the RDS for PostgreSQL gives you access to the capabilities of a familiar PostgreSQL database engine. This means that the code, applications, and tools you already use today with your existing databases can be used with the Amazon RDS. So with just a few clicks in the Management Console, you are able to deploy a PostgreSQL database with automatically configured database parameters for optimal performance. Now, once provisioned, you can literally scale it up to 16 terabytes of storage and 40,000 IOPS. And the RDS for PostgreSQL also enables you to scale out beyond the capacity of a single database deployment for read-heavy database workloads. Now, MySQL is the world's most popular open source relational database, and RDS makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale the MySQL deployments in the cloud. It frees you up to focus on the application development by managing time-consuming database admin tasks such as it did with the PostgreSQL. It supports MySQL community versions 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, and 8.0, which means that the code, applications, and tools you already use today can be used with RDS. It also comes with the standard backup and recovery that Amazon Web Services offers, along with the high availability and read replicas, which makes it easy to elastically scale out beyond the capacity constraints of a single database instance. Additionally, the RDS provides Amazon CloudWatch metrics for your database instances at no additional charge. And the RDS Enhanced Monitoring provides access to over 50 CPU, memory, file system, and disk I/O metrics. Lastly, just as with PostgreSQL, you are given an isolation and security with the utilization of a Amazon VPC or through the Amazon Key Management Service. Now, the MariaDB is not as popular as the PostgreSQL or MySQL, but it was literally created by the original developers of MySQL. And it's got most of the same benefits that are given in the other database engines that come with RDS. One main one that I want to point out is the high performance. So you can provision, again, up to 16 terabytes of storage and 40,000 IAPS per database, and select instances with up to 32 CPUs and 244 GB of memory. So it's a very easy option to deploy a MariaDB if that is what you are using on-prem, and have it deployed on an AWS infrastructure, which allows you to not only scale it out, but give away some of the administration tasks to Amazon Web Services, such as the fault tolerance or such as the backups.